So there was a huge snowstorm last night. Look how much. And there's the snowplow down there. Where is it? Can't. The snowplow's down there. I'll try to. Fuck, I can't see it. And he's stuck. The snowplow is stuck. Oh man. But see, right there, that's where the snow's up to. And look at all the snow. It snowed so much. And the snow, oh, the guy's still stuck. It's hilarious. See, okay, see, look. Thank God our door was open. Like it was stuck open. Otherwise, we'd be trapped in our house. Like we kind of get out. Like, look. Holy shit. It snowed what? Alright. If you notice, there's a little handle right there. That's the snowblower.
That snowblower was perfectly fine. That's right. Okay.
See the top of that broom handle? That used to be sticking up because there used to be a snowman there. And the snowman's completely buried. And who's this nut? Walking. Snowshoes! That guy has snowshoes on! Oh, there we go. Oh, see that little black dot there? That's like a motorcycle scooter. That's all that's left of it.
Oh my god, that poor little shed too, look. It's getting broken.
Oh, I can imagine it's gonna collapse sometime. Maybe, well, maybe not. But that's, and it's still snowing. Look at the mailbox.